Welcome to this automation solution. Today's in this class, in pneumatics, single acting cylinder and double acting cylinder. In previous class, we have discussed how that single cylinder and double acting cylinder are working through 3x2 valve, 5x2 valve compressor. Okay, this is the pneumatics. Okay, through we are using compressor. Okay, then today's lesson is design a pneumatic circuit such that when both PB1 and PB2 is pressed, a single acting cylinder will go forward. When PB1 or PB2 is released, cylinder will come back. Okay, means end operation is the or operation. Okay, release and और पहले हम देखेंगे सिंगल एक्टिंग सिलेंडर में. ओके, देखिए सिंगल एक्टिंग सिलेंडर, देन 3x2 valve. Okay, for end gate we are using our two pressure valve. इसका नाम है dual pressure valve, two pressure valve. Okay, dual pressure valve means both side when pressure will come, after that only it will work like end gate. Okay, after that I am connecting, then go to compressor, place the compressor, do the connection, the adjust. Here also we have to double click. Okay, here also double click, then bring return manually push button. Okay, then okay, same like this, push button, spring button. Okay, this one is a PP1, this one is a PP2. Okay, see this is a 3x2 valve. Okay, see when PP1 pressed and PP2 also pressed, both are at the time it is not working. For that I am using, see this push button. See, दिस इज द लैचिंग वाला पुश बटन है. लैच मीन्स एक बार प्रेस करेंगे तो ये लैच हो जाएगा. ओके, सी इट इज आल्सो है पुश बटन. ओके, सी ओके, देन सी when two push buttons are pressing, the cylinder is active. Okay, when PP1 or PP2 anyone will release, it will come back. Okay, see, same like that you have to do this side also, latching, and this one you have to push button. See, okay, both sides are placed each other. Okay, both are working. Okay, then design a pneumatic circuit such that when both PB1 and PB2 is pressed, a double acting cylinder will go forward. When PB1 or PB2 release, the cylinder will come back. Okay, same thing for that double acting cylinder. Okay, that acting valve. Two-way pressure valve. Okay, two pressure valve. 12 pressure valve. Okay, then 3 by 2 valve, then compressor. Okay, then go for wiring like this. Okay, double click. Okay, same point also double click. Okay, and adjust, then double click, pin ladder. Same here also, latching manner, spring loaded. Okay, here also adjust, double click. Then connect to double acting cylinder. Okay, then go for start the program. See, design a pneumatic surface so that when both PP1 PP2 press the double acting cylinder will go program. Okay, so let's say latching. Okay, then this one. See, so double acting cylinder is now in P position. Okay, then PP1 or PP2 is ready, cylinder will come. See, this one is PP1. When you delete the PP2, the cylinder will come back. But already it is in active position. Okay.